Welcome back, everybody. I'm Kalani, and this is a look and listen to a Kamaka Tenor white label ukulele. And it's in low G tuning. I'll be giving you a better listen in a moment, but I want to tell you about the instrument. I got this instrument 6-7 years ago from somebody who was selling it. It is a white label, and the reason it's called white label is because of that label inside there. You can see it says Kamaka ukulele. I'll give you a closer look at the instrument in a moment, but I just want to share that this is one of my favorite ukuleles. These are getting more rare by the day. Kamaka's still in business. It's one of the primary Hawaiian family-owned ukulele makers, and you should look them up, all right? Kamaka ukulele, easy to find. So I want to give you a listen right away to this instrument. It's just got an amazing tone, amazing sustain. I'm going to be using this mic over here to record the audio so you can hear it and get a true sense of the sound. So I hope you have good speakers or earbuds or headphones. I'm going to switch mics and I'll just give you a listen with different ways of playing. Okay, here's a look at the face, just kind of a plain look at the ukulele. It's solid koa, really simple, beautiful design. The bridge, the saddle are both koa. I don't know what the neck is, looks like mahogany, possibly, maybe koa. The head has the double K logo up here. And I put in some mechanical tuners. The tuners that were on it when I bought it were not the originals, and so I replaced them, did a little bit of work, and now I have this lightweight composite tuners on it, which work well. There was a small crack right here. Well, there still is, actually. Can you see that in the light? See? On the back, which I had a luthier take a look at and fix. I just took it to a luthier after I got it and made sure it was all okay. But you can see that it's got the butterflied wood grain on the front and the back. The sides have kind of a beautiful dark grain in them. So pretty simple. It's really, you know, just a really nice, simple, high quality ukulele. And while I'm not pretending to be an expert ukulele historian, I would say that if you haven't considered a Kamaka and an older Kamaka, this is the white label. There were some before this. I don't know what the current generation is called exactly, but I believe, and don't quote me on this, that the white labels are around the 1970s and 80s, somewhere in there. You can go to their website and find out easily, and there's lots of people that have written about these. So I like this ukulele a lot, and I got it for a deal, really great deal. But if you can get one of these at any price that fits your budget, I would jump on it. These are just getting more scarce. You can go check on eBay or wherever and see what they're selling for now. But I have a feeling they're only going one direction, and it's not down. So, all right, so I'm gonna give you a little more playing. I mean, if you wanna hear what it sounds like, let's listen to it in my shotgun mic. It's gonna be a little brighter. And also, just an FYI, you guys, when I check out an ukulele to buy, I hold it like this. I hold it by the head, and I strum it just open. And I listen to that, just hanging straight down. Because when you put the ukulele, especially up against your chest, it mutes it because the back is resonating too. So just hang your ukuleles like this and give it a little strum. Let me switch mics and I'll play a little bit more. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Look and listen at the Kamaka Tenor white label ukulele. I'm going to keep this ukulele as long as I can. Hopefully it'll be a nice hand-me-down someday, family heirloom. Good luck with your search, and if you have a Kamaka you're proud of and you're excited about, leave it in the comments. If you have questions, there may be some ukulele experts that are watching this video as well. You can ask your questions in the comments area, and maybe somebody will answer you. In the meantime, if you'd like to connect with me more, you can do that by visiting patreon.com/Kalani. We've got courses over there, lots of lessons, ukulele, drumming, Native American style flute, music facilitation, tons of stuff for people who are serious about growth and learning and just doing more with music. Okay, I'm Kalani. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing your ukulele, whatever brand it is.